Mr. Yang, would
Hello.
you please introduce yourself?
Sure. So I'm a senior network architect of Akamai.
Right. Akamai is the leading provider of cloud services for delivering online content and business applications securely. So what does it do to the building of big data?
So first of all, I would like to introduce a little bit about the big data first. So big data usually means like three aspects. Number one is the volume. That means there are like a lot of data, like an amount of an mountain of data. The second is talking about the variety. That means the data will be coming from many different sources. So it could be from the server, from the system, from the network device. And third is about the velocity. So that means we have to find the useful information from this like a mountain of data. And to build a big data, there are usually two major components. One is the Hadoop and the other one is the NoSQL. So Hadoop is like a distributed server. So there's a lot of server to analyze the data, and then they use the map reduce technology to reduce the data to some useful information, and then I finally send the data to a centralized server um, for the results. The other part is the NoSQL. That means not only SQL. So this means the database is very scalable, also distributed, and this is very easy to access the information from the database. So in Akamai, we have a lot of distributed servers, and so we collect a lot of data, and then we use the distributed server to analyze the data, and then we consolidate them and then make it to an intelligent format and then deliver it to our customers.
Right. Sounds like big data covers almost all areas of our lives. Does it mean Akamai is a real company who stores and owns our data?
It's true that Akamai we account a lot of significant um, part of the daily life because Akamai we deliver a lot of content that include like Cafe Pacific, EMC, FedEx, NBA, USA Today, TVB, or most importantly, many people who use daily like the Facebook. However, Akamai we are delivering the web content. That means we only have the IP address and the URL information. We don't have personal information like the user's name, the user identity, because we also respect the privacy.
Right. Can I say since data is neutral, and so big data is also neutral, it only depends on how we use it, right?
Yeah, I would say so because big data in a raw format is just like a 0 and 1. That's the raw data. Is quite meaningless. However, it really depends on how we make use of this data to convert into useful information.
And what will big data bring us in the future that we do not know yet?
So I can think of three applications. So the first one is the content owner could make use of the big data to have a better understanding of their customer. For example, when Akamai we can deliver real-time user information, and so that the website owner could know how to improve the quality of service, and then also reduce their errors and downtime. So for example, is an airline, they can use the big data, they can collect the user. So when the user fail to book a airline, then we send the data to the content owner, and then they can ask their call center to call the customer and then assist the customer to finish the airline booking. So this is kind of way that could improve the quality of the service and improve the customer satisfaction. The other application would be like they could gain an end-to-end visibility because the content owner could correlate the Akamai dataset and then with their own internal data, and then they could measure the business impact of using a CDN and also eventually improve the quality of service. The first one is because Akamai is a distributed server, so we are the front end server to face the end user. At the same time, when there is like attacks or some security breach, then the customer can use Akamai web application firewall to filter the hackers, and so that it can protect the customer internal security information and protect the application and website.
Thank you, Mr. Yang.
Thank you.